In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your teacher's mutual bank app online banking password. This step-by-step guide will help you navigate the process smoothly and securely, so stay tuned as we dive into it. First, let's begin by going to the teacher's mutual bank website. This is your central hub for managing all of your online banking needs. Once you're there, you'll notice various options and links that guide you through different services. Our focus today is on resetting that password, so let's move straight ahead to the contact section. Give that a click. This will direct you to a new page that's full of options for getting in touch with the bank and troubleshooting any issues you might have. Now look closely at your screen and click on the Reset Your Password option. This particular link is going to provide you with the necessary steps to regain access to your account by guiding you through the password reset process. It's quite straightforward from here on out, but I'll walk you through it to make sure everything's crystal clear. From here, you need to visit the Internet Banking portal. This is the online interface where you usually log into your account. You'll want to look just below the login button for a small text link that says, "Forgot your password?" That's your ticket to the next step. Click on it to proceed to the following page. This is where security measures come into play. You'll be prompted to enter your details to confirm that it really is you requesting this change. Input the necessary information and hit Next to continue. Up next, you're going to see a screen with the option to get your one-time password through SMS. Press that Get SMS One-Time Password button. A 6-digit code will automatically be sent to the mobile number linked to your account. Alternatively, if you prefer a different method, you can opt for a physical or app security token. Choose the option that's most convenient for you. Once you've received your one-time password, enter it in and hit Next. You're almost there. Now it's time to come up with your new password. You'll be asked to create your new password and confirm it. Take your time to choose something secure yet memorable. Enter the new password twice to ensure accuracy and then just hit Save to finalize the changes. At this point, you will still be logged into your internet banking, so if you've wrapped up everything you need to do, be sure to hit the log off button to securely exit your account. And that's it! You've successfully reset your teacher's mutual bank online banking password. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. If you have any further questions, feel free to reach out.